Naka-attend na ba kayo ng training na all clout, walang sustansya? Girl, if yes, meron akong mas magandang offer sa inyo. A lot of times nakikita ko, whether yan ay event, whether yan ay courses para sa mga freelancers, it's all clout, walang sustansya. Meaning, umattend ka at wala kang ibang natutunan, wala kang ibang naintindihan kung hindi yung success ng ibang tao. Samantalang ikaw, uuwi ka na ang tanong mo, so how does that apply to me? Like, I spent ganitong amount para pumunta dito sa lugar na to at umattend ditong event na to, pagkatapos uuwi ka ng, how does that make my family happy? Whenever I start any of my training sessions, I always ask, why are you here? Why do you want to start working from home? Ano ang biggest why mo? At alam mo ang pinakang common factor? Family. Family lagi ang biggest why natin. And when I ask them deeper, anong family? Anong meron sa family? Anong eksena ng pamilya mo dito? And I asked myself too, para kanino nga ba ako bumabangon? Ang sagot ko lang, ang tanong muna doon kung meron ba akong tulog. Because I became a freelancer because I want to give my family everything. Everything. Ito na ngayon, if you want to start working from home, gusto mong matuto kung paano mag-work from home, at hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula, you're kind of there, almost, but not quite. Meron akong dalawang bagay na pwedeng i-offer sa inyo. Number 1, we have what we call the Top VIP All Access Pass, kung saan lahat ng classes namin for 1 whole year, pwede mo nang attendan. Internship, makaka-attend ka ng mga one-on-ones, meron kang direct line to me, pwede kang magtanong. Except, karamihan sa mga menti ko, hindi na sila ngayon nagtatanong ng how, because masustansya. Papasok ka pa lang sa training, hinahasa ka na namin sa kung ano nga ba talagang ginagawa ng isang freelancer. And that's only 1,999 pesos. So inuulit ko, 1 whole year, access sa lahat ng trainings, live, o module, application book, one-on-one, lahat. 1,999 lang yun. However, what if sa January 19 libre ka naman? And kumbaga gagawin mo na rin tong excuse para pumasyal sa Quezon Province. Because girl, Freelancers Wonderland 2025 is happening on January 19th at dito ito sa Tayabas, Quezon. Now, bakit nga ba? Anong connection nung Top VIP at saka nung Freelancers Wonderland? Girl, if part ka ng first 200 na magre-register, makukuha mo ang Top VIP for only 1,500 plus. Dahil nga, nag-connect tayo with Mommy MK. We know how to choose our network. Pak! Charot! For the price of 1,500, magiging member ka na ng Club 500 ng Mother's Wonderland. But because mahal namin kayo at mahal naman tayo ng Mother's Wonderland, magkakaroon pa tayo ng kasama doon na snacks, at saka lunch, at saka mamemember na kayo doon sa Club 500 nila. Pagkatapos, wait, there's more. Girl, meron pa kayong merch ng event. Meron pa kayong Top VIP All Access Pass. Meron pa kayong all-in-one courses ni Mommy MK ng FH Moms. I mean, what if halimbawa lang naman? So anyway, yun lang, chinika ko lang sa inyo na meron tayong mga ganong pakana ngayon. Dahil Pasko, alam kong maraming nag-aantay ng promo, wag na kayong mag-intay ng isa pang event na malalampasan ninyo, na chance nyo na makakilala ng iba pang aspiring freelancers na kagaya ninyo. Ibang freelancers who almost made it at freelancers na matagal nang nandun sa industriya. It's a time for you to learn. It's a time for you to have fun with your family. It's a conference. It's a family day. It's a one-of-a-kind event para sa lahat ng mga aspiring freelancers at freelancers na matagal na. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis.